Dibdib.
Dibdib.
Chick!
Crush.
What? Crib. Ay, crib.
Lakas ng loob.
Strong inside.
Dili na kung ano.
Mura.
Cheap.
Chick!
Ko ay dibuar ganun eh. This is Paunahan Challenge! Category Tagalog to English.
Answer starts with letter C.
All answer starts with letter C. Papaspasay ni ha. Sige, first. Tagalog to English. Hamon.
Hamon. Cake.
Huh?
Cupcake.
Five.
Sigon.
5, 4,
Korea.
3,
Cebu.
2, 1.
Answer is challenge.
Next. Challenge di.
Pagbabago.
Change.
Kabanata.
Kabanata. Cute si Gail. KB.
Kabanata.
Child. Childhood.
4,
Children.
3, 2, 1.
Answer is chapter.
Huh?
Next. Habulin.
Chase.
Ito din yung laro.
Next. Dibdib.
Dibdib.
Check!
Crush.
What? Crib. Ay, crib din lang. Sige, dito.
Muni nga po yung kasama.
4,
Cubes.
3,
Cars. Masa to? Oh, yung dibdib.
dibdib.
Fry.
Answer is chest.
Ay, please, right.
Next. Hepe.
Chepe.
Hindi ka na polis na.
Hepe.
Cup.
Wrong.
Cup. Officer. Car. Please stop the car. Stop the car, please. Career.
Full start. 5,
Coral. Car police. Car. Puro corals.
3,
Koreas.
2,
Korea. Cebu.
Chief.
Sheep.
Sheep.
Cheap.
Next. Quelio.
Galio. Uniform. Kanak.
Uniform.
Coat.
All answer starts with the letter C.
Combination. Composition. Composition method. Communication notebook.
Okay, 5, 4,
Kiba ko na.
3, 2,
Jamila and very good.
Answer is
Ay, wala is
next. Malito.
Wala.
Lito.
cured.
Ang sakit ito lang. Dito.
Ang saan siya gimihit, B?
Naglibog ba?
5,
Curious.
wrong.
Kink.
3,
Gun.
2, 1.
Answer is confused.
Ay,
Next. Lakas ng loob.
Squad! Di. Ano?
What's ito?
Lakas ng loob.
Sabi ko, ano na eh.
Strong and inside. Strong and inside.
Dili na kung ano.
Confusion.
5, 4, 3,
Nagkasalo.
2,
Answer is courage. Next. Curiosidad.
Curiosity.
Very good. Next. Castillo.
Castle.
Next. Nilalang.
Culture. Culture is
Sapit na.
culture. Culture. Her. Culture.
Culture.
Creature.
Very good. Next. Hito.
Isong.
Isda ba? Dito.
Catfish.
Very good. Uy. Next. Tagapagpangalaga. Or tagapangalaga.
Babysitter. Hot. No. Hot.
Critter. Crabber.
Trabaho na siya. Tigbantay ba? Tigbantay.
5.
Gun. Composition mo. Composition mo.
2. Cabantination. 1.
Answer is caretaker.
Oy.
Next, kisame.
Roof. Chrome.
Gun. Ceiling.
Very good, ceiling.
Ceiling fan daw.
Ito, ceiling. Next, mura.
Mo?
Mura.
Kanang kon? Barato.
Barato. Chi. Yan. Suko ay dibuar gani day. Sino ka may gani?
Next, pagkakataon.
Senior. Chance.
Very good chance.
Anong childhood?
Next, mamamayan.
Mamamayan. Cute ko. Culture.
No.
Courageous.
No.
Culture.
Mamamayan.
Ganyan ba? Kuan. Here.
5. Mamamayan. Mamamayan. 3.
2, 1. Answer is
Ay.
next, akyat.
Okay.
Climb.
Pila na din.
Last, kumpirma.
Confirm. So that's it for today's video. Shout out time. Hello and shout out kay Rashina Rabanes and hello kay Angelbert B. Flonasca and John Paul Puso, Nanay Cabanilla, Rana May, and Roblox. Ay, Nancy Cabanilla di ay. Ano po ganit das? Rana May and Roblox. Ano na?
Siguro box.
Hello and shout out ay kay Kizia Tambalo and Honey Claire, Neri Akdog, and Rachel Valenzuela, Judith Sismar, Jonah May Duminang Kapuyan.
Shout out and hello kay Jana Denise Hidalgo and Trisha Tamayo and Trisha Joy Villaruz and Eliz Verdijo Florendo and Derme Tabuco.
So thank you so much for watching mga Mags. God bless everyone and I take care.